Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to remove silence from audio in Capcut. So first one is open up the Capcut and just simply create a new project and just simply add your video. And now once you have done that, you could just simply go ahead and select the text over here down below. And now you will have here auto captions. And from here, you could just simply go for identify invalid clips. So just simply select this one. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and go for start. And after that, just simply wait for the CapCut to create the auto captions. So guys, after that, as you can see, CapCut will identify all of the filler words. So we have here the so this will be the tone, and it is already selected. And if we scroll down further, we should be able to see all of it. And as you can see, CapCut has detected 5 clips that we could delete. And from here, as you can see down below, I have a pause over here. So from here, it will detect any silences from your video and fillers. And you can just simply select delete 5 clips and just simply select yes, delete both. And you should be able to remove all of the silence in your audio. There you go. See ya.